When you watch an airplane take off or land, you may notice something interesting happening with its wings. Those hinged panels that extend outward and downward are called flaps, and they play a critical role in flight safety and performance. Flaps are aerodynamic surfaces on the wings, and they're primarily used during takeoff and landing. Their main function is to increase the amount of lift generated by the wings. Lift, of course, is what keeps the aircraft in the air, but achieving enough lift at low speeds can be tricky. This is where flaps come into play. During takeoff, when the aircraft is moving down the runway at relatively low speeds, pilots lower the flaps by a few degrees. By extending the flaps, the curvature of the wing changes, allowing the aircraft to generate more lift at a slower speed. This helps the plane get off the ground more quickly and safely, especially on shorter runways. As the aircraft climbs, the flaps are gradually retracted because they also increase drag, which can slow down the plane. Once cruising altitude is reached, there's no need for the extra lift from the flaps, so they stay fully retracted to optimize fuel efficiency and speed. Now let's talk about landing. This is where flaps become even more important. During descent, pilots extend the flaps to a much greater angle than during takeoff. By doing this, the flaps increase both lift and drag. This allows the aircraft to fly more slowly without stalling, giving the pilot better control during the approach and allowing for a smoother, more precise landing. The added drag from the extended flaps also helps slow the aircraft down after touchdown, reducing the distance needed to come to a complete stop. In summary, flaps are essential for both takeoff and landing, helping pilots control the aircraft at lower speeds by generating extra lift and drag. Without flaps, planes would need much longer runways and higher speeds to operate safely. It's the simple yet powerful technology of flaps that makes air travel safer and more efficient.